How to change from landscape to portrait in PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your PowerPoint slide orientation to portrait mode. It's perfect for print design, posters, or mobile-friendly presentation. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your PowerPoint presentation where you want to change the slide layout, and after that, head over to the Design tab on the top menu. Once you are on the Design tab, click on the slide size in the top right corner and select Custom Slide Size from the drop-down menu. Now here under the Orientation section, change the slides option from Landscape to Portrait. You can leave the notes, handouts, and outline as is. And once you hit OK, PowerPoint will ask how to scale your content. So here, click Ensure Fit to make sure everything stays centered and fits nicely on the new portrait slide. And that's it. Now your slides are in portrait mode and it's ready for printing and vertical presentation. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.